showcase rock. Ocean breeze blowing while the palm trees talk. Canoes on the water, fishermen at dawn. Simple island life and the day goes on. Kids laughing as they run barefoot free. Jungle hills rolling down to the sea. From Colonia town to the mountainside, you can feel that island spirit deep inside. Slow down, hear the ocean roll. Island rhythm touching every soul. Pohnpei Vibes in the air tonight. Moon on the ocean, shining so bright. Living free with the ones we love. Island blessings from the stars above. Pohnpei Vibes, let the good times stay. Laughing with friends the island way. From the reef to the mountains high. Pohnpei spirit never gonna die. When the sun goes down and the breeze feels right, friends gather close in the soft moonlight, sitting together in a circle slow, where the soccer hole begins to flow. Stone on the hibiscus, brine in the roots, stories and laughter under that screw. Passing the cup while the night grows deep. Island traditions we will always keep. Slow down, let the good vibes grow. In the circle, circle nice and low. Pohnpei Vibes in the air tonight. Moon on the ocean, shining so bright. Living free with the ones we love. Island blessings from the stars above. Pohnpei Vibes, let the good times stay. Talking story the island way. From the reef to the mountains high. Pohnpei spirit will never die. From man my door standing through the years. Ancient stones holding island cheers. Waterfalls falling through jungle green. The most beautiful place you ever seen. Rain may fall, but the sun comes through. Island hearts always strong and true. With the ukulele and a reggae sound, Pohnpei love keeps going around.